hit my head. See, so this is a movement.
Right.
This is a movement. So as soon as the first move from hit my head, see, is a defense. Okay, now I hit your head, this is a defense. Now hit a head, see, that's a defense. Now hit a head, now, here. Now you hit a head, see, now here. So the three defense. What are the three defense? First one, attack. Okay, two-way, three-way. So 1, 2, 3. You are attack already. So 1 is here, 2, 3 is here. And then 4 I go the other direction. Stay. 4 I go the other direction. Okay, that's a 3, 4 directions defense. Now attack. Now here. Now 1, 2, and then I go back here. 3. And then here. Step out. Yeah. Take. See. Attack. See here. So when you hold here, and then I go here, and then I go here, then here. See? See the second step. Third one, attack here. Here, I used to hit here. So the both stick is defense, your head is attacked. You see? Again you do. Third one, see here, and then block here. See? Hit, turn and turn and turn and turn and turn. Because you are both are blocked.
Yes.
Both are blocked. So you are both are blocked, and then I have one hand is there. If I wanted to do this, and then I take here, take the hand out of the things. So and the holding it, and then I hitting on your toes, and then toes, and then I hit the legs. So it is completely loosened it. So it is a attacking of stick. Now you attack without anything attack. See? So one attack. So one attack here. It's simple. So this is the someone give the offense attack. 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 You see? So there's a movement. You don't need to react for it. So when you don't react for it, and then you use the hand like this. Hold the stick. Hold the sticks. So when you use this one, attack here, and then use this. So see, see, understand?
Yes.
Completely the dropping out, breaking the arms. So that is one thing. But when you sometimes you holding a stick, strongly attack. See, it's a body here, and then use here. You see? Use that part. You see? That part will be broken, this part. So that is a simple techniques. So as soon as you do, and then you use this one. Take two things. Hold the stick. See, that is the technique of breaking your, what is that? Wrist. Breaking the wrist. Pain, yeah?
Yes.
You tell me if you have pain.
No, it's okay.
So if you're holding, somebody's holding a stick, so you go there and then use this, and then use this, and then use this. Use this. Take, and then use this. Use this and use this. So this is the movement of taking the stick, grab the stick from people. You have a two-hand hold. If a two-hand hold, you have to hold the hand and then use it, turn and then grab. Okay, so you have to take only not the stick fight is important. Grab the stick is more important. Attack. See, hold and hold. Hold. So if somebody hit the head. See, again, back. Yes. See, again. See, so this is more important to how to avoid the head and moves or the body moves. Now leg, yes, block. Okay, now you have to use the leg. Now this side, leg. Now head. So this is the techniques. You don't need to react more. You have to be easily self moves. Attack. See, attack. See, quicker. You go closer and go quicker, and then you turn the sticks. Turn the sticks. That's it. Simply is come back to you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.